Alright, Nitro Nation. Yeah, I think I'm straight up call it Nitro Nation. But yeah, this is what I plan on doing right here. We're gonna swap and put this engine in this new MP9. I gotta take the old mount off and put this new mount on. These are pretty, that's for dang sure. But they come with some type of plating. Not sure what they're for. But yeah, that's what's going to happen. So, this is an OSB spec. This engine is only going to be put in here for temporary. So I'm kind of anxious to get this moving on a run. Yeah. So let's start removing the Mugen engine mount and put these on and get her mounted. All right. So I'm just anxious to get it, see how it's going to perform. I know that's going to perform good in this. It was plenty powerful for the truggy, so I know it's going to be plenty powerful for the buggy. Alright. Set that to the side. Let's see what we got here. Alright. Too much of an angle for that. Loosen these up. I don't have no, I have to buy some of those caps to put over the exhaust and the carburetor, but I don't have none. I'm eventually gonna have to buy some though, so we'll just temporarily put this tissue in there. Just doing a little bit of wrenching here and letting you all know what I'm doing, what I've been doing. Of course, I haven't been doing a whole lot lately, really. I guess that's why it seemed like a long wait for my Kyosho to come in the mail. Crazy. But yep. Like I said, the air quality's been nasty. I didn't want to be out there breathing it. You know, everybody thinks, oh yeah, you're it's all smoke and stuff, but no, it's all the damn other shit that's mixed in with it. All the chemicals that's burning from the, whatever's out there. A lot of houses, cars burned down. All that plastic and shit that's burning along with it, it gets in the air. Reading that shit. Not only that, I'm in a farming community. So therefore, any winds that kick that dirt up, you're breathing all the toxic chemicals that they put in the ground. Pesticides, herbicide, breathing all that shit. Alright. So, my concern is this clutch bell. It's a little sloppy. Still spins good. Yeah, that's too much slop. That's got to be taken care of. Excuse me. That's why I'm sneezing. All that shit in the air makes you sneeze. Yeah, everything starts as a fairy tale. I'll blow my freaking nose now. Doing my work. See if there's anything else in there. Let's keep that. Very ready. See what we got here. Yeah, we'll try those two. I gotta blow this nose. Oh, God. Alright. Let's see what we got here. Happen. Loose as a goose. That ain't gonna happen. Yeah. Nope. That's all I need to wake up the neighborhood. Crap load of shit here. See what we got. Oh boy. Here we go. Gotta go through 50 million of these. Alright. Oh. That kind of fits. Oh, I bet you they're outside. Too big. Yeah, I bet you they're all outside. Not happening. Not happening. Let's take a stroll outside and see what I got. Alright, sorry about the delay. Yeah, I'm going to cut it short right now. Battery's going dead. I found another box, but yeah, I'll get everything together and re-hit the record. Alright, thanks for watching, you guys. Appreciate it. Later.